Hello students, I am Ashish Chawla and today we do problems based on quadratic equation. So let's start the first problem. Solve for x. 1 upon a plus b plus x is equals to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon x, and it is given that x is not equals to 0 as well as x is not equals to minus times a plus b. So these condition is given to us. Now let's see how we can solve this. Now first of all, we consider a and b as a constants and x is the variables. So the first step that we follow is that we have to shift the variable on the one side. So this is the variable term, let's say 1 upon x, we have to shift to the left hand side. So the equation become 1 upon a plus b plus x minus 1 upon x is negative now is equals to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. Now we take the LCM. So the LCM of these two is a plus b plus x multiply with x. Now this expression is divided by this. So these two terms are get cancelled. So what is left? That is x. X into 1 we get x. There is a minus sign, we put minus. Now this expression is divided by this x. So x and x are get cancelled. So what is left? A plus b plus x is equals to. Here again I take the LCM. What is the LCM? A into b. And what is coming in the numerator? That is b plus a. Now just open the brackets. X minus a minus b minus x is equals to b plus a upon ab. So x and x are get cancelled. So in the numerator I can take minus common. So it becomes a plus b upon a plus b plus x multiply with x is equals to b plus a. We can write as a plus b. So this a plus b and this a plus b are get cancelled. Now we do cross multiplication. That is minus ab into minus 1 we get minus ab and a plus b plus x multiply with x with 1 we get a plus b plus x into x. Now just open the brackets. We are getting a into x, that is ax, b into x, that is bx, x into x, that is x square, is equals to minus ab. Now we shift minus ab to the left hand side. So we get x square plus ax plus bx minus ab को हम शिफ्ट करेंगे लेफ्ट साइड पर तो it becomes plus ab और राइट साइड पे 0 मिलेगा हमें. Now from these two terms I take x common. So what is left? X plus a. And from these two terms I take b common. So x plus a is equals to 0. Now from these two terms I can take x plus a common. So what is left? That is x plus b is equals to 0. So the product of these two expression is 0. It is possible only when either this term should be 0 or this term should be 0. So this term should be 0 or this term should be 0. So x equals to minus a or you can say x equals to minus b. So these are the final solution. This is our answer. X equals to minus a or x equals to minus b. Now we start the next problem. Solve for x. 5 raised to the power x plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power 2 minus x is equals to 5 raised to the power 3 plus 1. So let's see how we can solve this expression. 5 raised to the power x plus 1 can be written as 5 raised to the power x multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1. हमें मालूम है कि जब मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं और अगर बेस सेम होता है तो पावर ऐड हो जाती है. So this expression can be written as 5x plus 1. Clear? Now this expression 5 raised to the power 2 minus x, पावर कब माइनस होती है? जब ये डिवाइड होते हैं. So we can write like this 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power x. is equals to 5 का क्यूब हम जानते हैं that is 125 plus 1 that is 126. Now here we assume that 5 raised to the power x as y. Let us assume that 5 raised to the power x as this is 5x. So we assume that 5 raised to the power x equals to y. So our equation becomes y multiplied by 5 plus 5 square that is 25 upon y is equals to 120. Now take the LCM. Let's say इसके नीचे 1 मान लेते हैं. So the LCM is y. So y divided by 1 that is y times y into 5 we getting 5y square plus y को y से डिवाइड किया तो 1 तो ऊपर आएगा 25 is equals to 126. Now क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे y से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 126 से. So 5y square plus 25 equals to 126y. 126y को हम राइट साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे. So 5y square minus 126y plus 25 is equals to 0. Now अब हमें मालूम है कैसे इसको फैक्टराइज किया जाता है. कांस्टेंट टर्म को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे y स्क्वायर के कोफिशिएंट से. तो 25 इंटू 5 दैट इज, और 125 को हम इस तरह से दो फैक्टर में रिजॉल्व करेंगे जिससे 126 आ चुके. तो 125 को लिख सकते हैं 125 इंटू 1 और 125 और 1 को जोड़ के हम लिख सकते हैं 126. सो दिस एक्सप्रेशन कैन बी रिटन एज 126 को लिखेंगे 125y minus y plus 25. So from these two terms I take 5y common. So what is left? Y minus 25. From these two I take minus 1 common. So अगर मैंने माइनस कॉमन ले लिया तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा और पॉजिटिव वाली टर्म नेगेटिव हो जाएगी. Now from these two terms I take y minus 25 common. So what is left? 5y minus y. So again the product of these two terms is 0. It is possible either if y minus 25 equals to 0 or 5y minus 1 should be 0. From this I can get y equals to 25 or I can get y equals to 1 by. तो y की दो वैल्यूज पॉसिबल है 25 या 1 by 5. लेकिन हमने अज्यूम किया था 5 raised to the power x equals to y. So let's say if I put 5x equals to 25. So 5x 25 को लिख सकते हैं 5 का स्क्वायर. So the value of x is equals to 2. 5x को हमने y अज्यूम किया था और y की वैल्यू हमारी क्या थी 1 by 5 भी थी. तो 5 की पावर x 1 by 5 को लिख सकते हैं 5 की पावर माइनस 1. सो कंपेयर करेंगे तो x इक्वल्स टू क्या आएगा माइनस 1. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 2 और माइनस 1. दिस इज आवर आंसर. दैट इज x इक्वल्स टू 2 और x इक्वल्स टू माइनस. नाउ वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व फॉर x अगेन. 2 times x square plus 1 upon x square minus 9x plus 1 upon x plus 14 equal to 0. Let's see how we can solve this. In this question, let's assume that x plus 1 upon x equals to y. We are assuming that x plus 1 upon x equals to y. Now if I squaring on both sides, so x plus 1 upon x का होल स्क्वायर किया, y का भी स्क्वायर किया. a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर अपन ओपन करेंगे तो a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab that is equals to y square. So x and x are get cancelled. So the value of x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equals to y square. यहाँ से हम x square plus 1 upon x square की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. तो x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to हो जाएगा y square minus 2. So the value of x square plus y square, x square plus 1 upon x square is equals to y square minus 2, and the value of x plus 1 upon x equals to y. Now we are substituting these values in the given equation. I put these values, I put x plus 1 upon x equals to here, and the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. On substituting these values in the equation becomes 2 times y square minus 2 plus minus 9 x plus 1 upon x minus 9 In place of x plus 1 upon x, I have to put y. Then plus 14 equals to 0. Plus 14 equal to 0. Now open the brackets. So 2y square minus 4 minus 9y plus 14 equals to 0. So 2y square minus 9y minus 4 plus 14, I get plus 10 equals to 0. So how we can factorize this? We have to multiply 10 with the coefficient of y square, that is 10 into 2, 20. And we have to break 20 into 2 factors, by which we get 9. So 20 can be broken as 5 into 4 because 5 plus 4 is 9. So 2y square minus 4y minus 5y plus 10 equals to 0. From these two I can take 2y common. What is left? Y minus 2. From these two, what I can take common? Minus 5. So what is left? Y minus 2 equals to. In this expression I can take y minus 2 common from these two terms. Y minus 2 common ले लिए तो इधर क्या बचेगा? 2y. इधर क्या बचेगा? minus 5 common. minus 5 बचेगा. Now again the product of these two terms is 0. It is possible either this term 0 or this term. So this is 0 only when y equals to 2, or this term should be 0 when y equals to 5 by 2. So the value of y is 2 or 5 by 2, but we have to find the value of x, not y. What we assume that x plus 1 upon x is equals to y. We assume this. So if x plus 1 upon x, let's say equals to 2, I take the LCM x. In the numerator I get x square plus 1 is equals to 2. Now cross multiply. So x square plus 1 is equals to 2x. Shift 2x to the left hand side. So x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So this expression is nothing but the square of x minus 1. Okay, so the value of x is 1. If I put x plus 1 upon x equals to 2, then the value of x is 1. Now if instead of x plus 1 equals to y, the y की वैल्यू हमने एक और निकाली थी, that is 5 by 2. Let's say x plus 1 upon x equals to 5 by 2. Again we have to take the LCM, that is x. That is x square plus 1 is equals to 5 by 2. Again cross multiply. 2x square plus 2 is equals to 5x. Shift these two left hand side. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Now again, how we can factorize? We have to multiply the constant term with the coefficient of x square, that is 2. So 2 into 2 we are getting 4. Now 4 के हमें दो फैक्टर करने हैं जिससे 5 आ जाए, तो 4 को लिख सकते हैं 4 into 1, by which we are getting 5. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. यहाँ से क्या कॉमन आएगा? 2x. So what is left? That is x minus 2. यहाँ से क्या कॉमन लेंगे? minus 1 कॉमन ले लिया, तो माइनस कॉमन लिया तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, और ये प्लस 2 किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? minus 2 में, equals to 0. Now from these two terms we can take x minus 2 common. X minus 2 common लिया, what is left here? That is 2x, and what is left here? minus 1 equals to 0. Again the product of these two terms is 0. It is possible either this term should be 0 or this term should be 0. This term should be 0 when x equals to 2, and this term should be 0 when x equals to 1 by 2. So these are the answers. So the answer for this equation is x can be 2, x can be 1, or 1 by 2. These are the final answers. Let's solve another question. Find the value of k for which x square plus kx plus 64 equals to 0 will have real roots. We know that the condition for the real roots, for real roots the value of discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. अगर discriminant की value greater than or equal to 0 है, तो we can say that the equation having real roots. So what is the d? The value of d is equals to b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. What is a b? B means the coefficient of x. So this is our b. And what is a? The coefficient of x square. Let's say this is 1. This is the value of A. What is C? The constant term. Now put the values. In place of B I have to put K square 4. In place of A I have to put 1. In place of C I have to put 64 greater than or equal to 0. So K square 4 into 1 into 64 I get 256 greater than or equal to 0. So I shift minus 256 to the right hand side. It become positive. So K square should be greater than or equal to 256. So the value of K square should be greater than or equal to 256. So it is possible only when the K is greater than or equal to 16. It is possible only when the value of K is greater than or equal to 16 or K is less than or equal to 16 minus 16. This is possible only when the value of K is greater than or equal to 16 or the value of K is less than or equal to minus 16. Why? Because the 16 square is 256. If I put greater value, if I put the value of K greater than 16, then again the 16, अगर मैं K की वैल्यू 16 से ज़्यादा पुट करूँगा तो उसका स्क्वायर डेफिनेटली 256 के स्क्वायर से भी ग्रेटर आएगा. Is it clear? So the solution is K is greater than or equal to 16. एंड एक सॉल्यूशन हमारा ये है और दूसरा सॉल्यूशन ये भी हो सकता है कि K की वैल्यू लेस देन और इक्वल टू माइनस 16 हो. माइनस 16 इसलिए क्योंकि माइनस 16 का स्क्वायर भी 256 होता है, तो माइनस 16 भी हमारा आंसर होगा. और अगर माइनस 16 से छोटी वैल्यूज दैट इज माइनस 17 रखता हूँ तो डेफिनेटली माइनस 17 का स्क्वायर करूँगा तो वो भी एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आएगा दैट इज 289 और वो 256 से बड़ा है. तो कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि K की वैल्यू 16 और 16 से बड़ी हो सकती है और K की वैल्यू माइनस 16 और माइनस 16 से छोटी हो सकती है. सो दिस इज अवर सॉल्यूशंस. और इसको फाइंड करने का एक और तरीका हमारे पास है. ये जो हमारे पास एक्सप्रेशन था K स्क्वायर माइनस 256, इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं K स्क्वायर 256 को लिख सकते हैं 16 का स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पे A स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर लिखा है तो इसको A प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी लिख सकते हैं. तो K प्लस 16 इंटू K माइनस 16 should be greater than equal to 0. So if I plot, there is a way to find the solution. Let's say we plot a number line for K, or in this I have to plot the values of K. Here the K plus 16, I equate K plus 16 to 0. So K plus 16 equals to 0, so I get K equals to minus 16. This is minus 16, let's say. I equate K minus 16 to 0, so I get the value of K is 16. This is 16. Now it is always that the right hand side value, the rightmost value is positive. We consider as positive. At 16, after 16, the value become negative. At the after minus 16, or sorry, before minus 16, the value is positive. So this is the way. So I have to find the values which are greater than equal to 0. That is, I have to find the values which are positives. So this is our one part of solution, and this is another part of solution. And the value can be 0. So the plus 16, the value of K can be plus 16 as well as minus 16. K की वैल्यू हम 16 भी रख सकते हैं क्योंकि अगर 16 रखा तो ये 0 बन जाएगा. 16 माइनस 16, और माइनस 16 भी रख सकते हैं क्यों, क्योंकि अगर माइनस 16 रखा तो K प्लस 16 की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी. सो द सॉल्यूशन इज, हमें इक्वल टू 0 और पॉजिटिव चाहिए. इक्वल टू 0 16 पे मिल रहा है और पॉजिटिव ये रहा. तो दिस इज अवर फर्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्यूशन, 16 और 16 से बड़ी. ये हमारा सॉल्यूशन हो गया. और दूसरा सॉल्यूशन माइनस 16 होगा क्योंकि इस पर 0 मिल रहा है और पॉजिटिव माइनस 16 से छोटी वैल्यू. सो अवर आंसर इज इस पार्ट को हम लिखेंगे कैसे, K की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 16. इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, K की वैल्यू लेस देन और इक्वल टू माइनस 16. सो दीज आर द फाइनल सॉल्यूशन. सो K इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 16 और K is less than equals to minus 16. So these are the final solutions. Find the maximum and minimum value. Find the maximum and the minimum value of x square plus 6x plus 7 for any real value of x. First of all, in order to solve such type of problems, we equate the given expression to y. So let x square plus 6x plus 7 equals to y. Now shift y to the left hand side, so it becomes negative equal to 0. So again we treat this expression as a quadratic equation. Why? Because it is equal to 0 and the maximum power of x is 2, and we treat y as a constant. So this is become a quadratic equation. Now if we have to consider only for the real values of x, so d or the values of x is real, it is possible only when that d is greater than or equal to 0. So we apply the formula, that is d, that is b square minus 4ac, should be greater than or equal to 0. What is b? The coefficient of x square. This is 1. What is the value of a? B is the coefficient of x. So that is 6. So the value of b is 6. What is a? A is the coefficient of x square. So this is our a. And what is c? C is the constant term. So 7 minus y we have to consider as a constant term. Now put the values. The value of b is 6. 4. What is the value of a? That is 1. What is the value of c? 7 minus y greater than or equal to 0. So solve this. 6 square is 36 minus 4 times 7 minus y greater than or equal to 0. I divide whole equation by 4. So it becomes minus 9. 4 से 4 cancel हो जाएगा. 7 minus y greater than or equal to 0. Open the brackets. 9 minus 7 plus y greater than or equal to 0. So 9 minus 7, that is 2, plus y greater than or equal to 0. So y is greater than or equal to minus 2. So from this statement I can say that the minimum value is minus 2 and the maximum, y की value minus 2 से बड़ी होगी. Okay, तो minus 2 से बड़ी तो कुछ भी हो सकती है. So the maximum value of this expression is infinite, maybe infinite. Okay, so these are the answers. The minimum value is minus 2 and the maximum value is infinite. Thank you.